Hello guys, you're welcome to uComputing YouTube channel. My name is Eugene, and today we're going to explore one of the new features that Microsoft has introduced in their latest Windows 11 operating system. One of the cool features that Microsoft has introduced in their Windows 11 operating system is title bar window shake. Now, what is title bar window shake? This is just a feature that enables users to grab a Windows title bar and shake it to minimize all other windows that have been opened on a Windows 11 operating system. Now, let's have a look at how to enable and use title bar window shake. So I have here a Windows 11 operating system, and as you can see, by default, the Windows 11 operating system start menu is centered, right? But mine is on the left side. If you want to do the same thing, you can right click on the taskbar here, go to settings, and then you're going to find a taskbar alignment option over here. You can switch it from here to center and then back to the left. I am used to using my start menu from the left, so I will keep it on the left. So I'm going to close this and walk you through step by step how you can enable this feature. Now, to enable title bar window shake, you need to go to Start and then look for the settings option of your Windows 11 operating system. I'm going to click on settings over here. If for some reason the settings is not pinned to the start menu, what you can do is that you can just type settings here on the start menu, and then it's going to pop up. Okay, so we're going to go to settings, and when you get to settings of your Windows 11 operating system, what you need to look for is the system option. All right, when you click on the system option, you look for multitasking, right? Because this tool was specifically designed to help us speed up our multitasking activities, right? So when you go to multitasking and you scroll down, you're going to find this tool over here, title bar window shake. Now by default it is disabled, so when you get to this place, it will be in this state. All you need to do is that you need to toggle this button over here to make sure the title bar window shake is turned on, and then you can go ahead and enjoy this particular new feature. Now let's have a look at how it works. When this is enabled, and then for instance, let's say you've opened your File Explorer, you're checking something there, you have Microsoft Edge opened, you have Microsoft Store opened, and a couple of other things. Say you have Notepad. But for some reason, you realize that your desktop is overcrowded with windows and you want some of them to go away, with the exception of a specific window. You just need to click on the window. So for instance, let's say I want to use the Microsoft Edge instead, and I want all other windows to be minimized, right? There's no need to minimize them one after the other. If you have the title bar window shake enabled, you can just click, hold, shake, and it minimizes all the other windows, right? Just focusing on the very one that you're interested in. If you want to restore the windows that has been minimized, you just need to click, hold the title bar of the window you're working on currently, again, shake it, and it brings them back, right? You can do this with any window, whether it's File Explorer, whether it's an application, any other thing. Okay, so just shake, and it will shake, and it comes back, right? I'll end this video over here. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe so that you can see the latest ones that we're going to upload later.